read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Nakvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in the class, we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter I. Its sound, its vocabulary word. Okay. At home, how could you make easier for the students? How to write it, how to pronounce it, and how to identify uppercase and lowercase letter I. Okay, you could take ink and injection. Keep it on the table. Let's start. Start from the first line. Come straight down. Make small sleeping line. Make another small sleeping line. It will make capital I. Start from second line. Come straight down. Put a dot on the top. It will make lowercase letter I. Small I. The letter name is I. The sound of I is E. Injection. E. Ink. So you will say E injection. E ink. E injection. E ink. Mostly kids like to eat ice cream. You could say I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Yes, very good. After that, include others. Invite others to join the games. It's a good thing to play together. After that, story time. I hope so you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.